Hello and welcome to Two Man Meta. I'm Mondo Spanner, and today we're going to open a box of March of the Machines Aftermath. These boxes are super tiddly. It's quite funny. Right, let's get into it. Compared to a normal box booster box. Now these packs are tiddly. You only get 5 cards in them or something. Sigarda, and there's that Niv Mizzet. That's pretty cool. Now I suppose we can't really be disappointed with anything we get out of this because there's only 50 cards, and I don't know, none of them are going to really carry any financial value, are they? So we don't have to worry too badly about that. Right, let's just get these off to one side. So we've got Solarian Contempt, Colligan Warmonger, Dranith Ruins, so uncommon, Dranith Ruins for the rare, and we've got a foil uncommon, we've got a nice border uncommon, and then we've got a token. Okie doke. So 24 packs in these. Oh, we want to be over it. Right, okay, cool. So, we've got a Harness Snubhorn, Filter Out. Oh, Nahiri, Forged in Fury, our first mythic. It's pretty good. Affinity for Equipment. Seems good. Cosmic Rebirth. That's a beautiful looking card. Tolarian Contempt. And a token. Right. Cosmic Rebirth again. Animist Smite. Spark Rupture for our rare. Anim Smite for our foil. And a Campus Renovation in foil. That looks fantastic. The Strixhaven Mystical Archive border and then combined with foil is really good looking. Whether that's a good card or not, that's a fine looking card. Right. Death Rattaloni, Feast of the Victorious Dead. Oh, Nissa Resurgent Animist. Good stuff. Wanted to get her. Tolarian Contempt again, and Animist Smite again in an old border. So, as far as I can tell, there are 50 cards, but like about 1 million permutations of what kind of border to what card you get. Right, Harness Snubhorn. So it'll be interesting to see what we get in where. Oh, Urborg Scavengers. There's a really kind of like cute stained glass kind of picture of them. That's quite cool. And Blot Out. Sweet. We're not doing too bad, I suppose. 2 mythics from the first quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, possibly. Yep. I think from the first quarter. So another Blot Out, fantastic artwork. Reckless Handling. Nahiri's Resolve. A Gold Forged Thopteryx. And a really nice Metropolis Reformer. That is a fine looking card. This Streets of Capenna Art Deco style is just so nice. And that seems like a really dope card, so also good. Oh, a Gold Forged Thopteryx again. Undercity Upheaval. Rebuild the City on Rock and Roll. Reckless Handling. Campus Renovation, but not in foil this time. Bye bye. Not even a token. Okay, Campus Renovation again. Markov Baron. Not seen him yet. Oh, Sarkhan, Soul of Flame, Mythic. Dragon spells you cast cost 1 less to cast. Whenever a dragon enters the battlefield under your control, you may have Sarkhan, Soul of Flame become a copy of it until end of turn, except its name is him, and it's legendary in addition to its other types. Okay. Cosmic Rebirth. Sorry if I'm off to one side. I seem to have set the camera up a bit high, and Moving the camera is not a thing. So hopefully I'm kind of central to the shot. We'll see. Auntie Kaz, I dare say you're moaning about it or something. Coppercoat Vanguard, nice. Solarian Contempt again. Leyline Immersion, not seen that yet. That's our rare. Oops, the piles are going wappy. Coppercoat Vanguard again. Solarian Contempt again. And a token. I wonder how many actual different cards. I wonder if you get a box, whether you actually get the full 50. Right, here's our centre. Okay, Colligan Warmonger, Cosmic Rebirth, many of those. Oh, Sigarda, sweet. That's good stuff. Oh, and we got another rare, Rocco, Street Chef. And a Harness Snubhorn in the whatever. I don't know which set that's supposed to be from, or is that just one that they've made up for this set? But these coins are pretty cool, to be honest, and that's a nice spirit token. Okay, so we kind of need to see if we get another mythic out of these 2 packs, then we'll be getting 2 mythics a quarter, which could be pretty good. Right, where are we at? There we go. Animus Might, Death Rattaloni, Arnie Metalbrow. He is a rare. Undercity Upheaval, and a Colligan Warmonger. Oh, we've seen him, haven't we, quite a few times. Just in a different style this time. Okay. Oh, yeah. There we go. Right. Feast of the Victorious Dead. Harness Snubhorn. Deification. Which is very similar to Defecation, isn't it? Right. That's our rare. Oh, wow. Obnix List Captive Kingpin. Super sweet. In foil as well, no less, I think. Is that foil? This is foil, but I can't work out whether the rest is. I think it is, just very subtle. That's excellent. And then we've got a Death Rattaloni. So that goes on there. Token on there. Right, okay, we're halfway through. Doing really well, I feel. 4 mythics, each of them different, each of them interesting. Can't say better than that. Reckless Handling, Goldforged Thopteryx, Ayara's Oathsworn, so that's nice to get a knight, because we can do fun things with knights from March of the Machine and that, with that gold knight buffing character, although he's not black, is he? He's blue and white. Coppercoat, Harness Snubhorn, Elemental. Okay, we're doing alright here. So, has anybody started selling these at a discount yet, where you are? I literally bought these on pre-order, £10 cheaper than anywhere else, and I'm fairly confident that that was under the price that it should have been. Like, the people who were selling it at pretty much a loss or at cost. So thank you to them. Oh, hello. Nahiri, Forged in Fury, a duplication mythic. Who knew? Goldforged Thopteryx in the coin. Bosh. Okay, so we've had our first mythic duplication. Very interesting. Okay, Campus Renovation, Coppercoat Vanguard, the Kenrith Royal Family, Undercity Upheaval, and Death Rattaloni a second time in that cool artwork. Or with that cool artwork. Markov Baron, Tolarian Contempt, Denetha, New Benalia's Light. Hold on. Undercity Upheaval in an absolutely fantastic, like with all the towers and that. Great, that looks amazing. See if we can get a mythic in that. That'd look amazing. Colohan Warmonger, Cosmic Rebirth, Plague and Nasari. Filter Out, cool looking foil. And Cosmic Rebirth, also looking amazing. Right. Oh, we're getting there. What have we got left? 2, 4, 6, so 7 packets. Kind of slowed down. Another mythic that wasn't a dupe would be kind of nice, wouldn't it? Okay, Death Rattaloni, Animist Might, Metropolis Reformer, we've had that looking super gnarly. Campus Renovation in the foil, and a Markov Baron in the funky border. Okay, Feast of the Victorious Dead, Harness Snubhorn, Tranquil Thrillback, Nahiri's Resolve, and Markov Baron. Oh, in foil and a funky border. Very nice. Okay, filter out, blot out. Oh, sweet. The Merfolk Noble Mythic. Very, very nice. Everybody likes that. Markov Baron in the foil. And then a Jurail Voice of Zalfir in a old border. That's really nice. Right. Reckless Handling, Goldforged Opteryx, Pia Nalar, Console of Revival, Foil Colligan Warmonger, and a fancy border Colligan Warmonger. So what do you think of this set? What do you think of opening this set? I find opening this set a bit weird. It's like opening lots of other little sets, isn't it? It's just so random. Undercity Upheaval. I've had a very checkered, Rocco Street Chef, checkered history with opening this stuff. The first two boxes I opened, I didn't really have a sweet clue what was going on. And then I bought a third box and was actually able to work out that my first box was a good box and my second box was a rubbish box. But I didn't record that. I'd opened it with my kids. Oh, sweet, Training Grounds. I wanted a copy of this. Nice. Spark Rupture. A very good looking Coppercoat Vanguard. We've not had very many of these Ikoria style artworks actually in this box, have we? That's our first one, really. Right. Filter out. Reckless Handling. Where's it going to go? Niv Mizzet Supreme. Bosch. Oh, there we go. That's who that dragon was. So it was Niv Mizzet. Bonus. Blot out. And Nahiri's Resolve looking absolutely spanking in a foil of some description. So, yeah. Okay, right. Well, that was the box that I'm getting of Aftermath. I'm not buying any more. It was nice to only get a single repeated mythic. The chances of that seem quite high. I didn't get... There was one, I'm sure, is a green male character, but I can't remember his name. But getting Ob Nixilis is awesome, especially in foil. The Kiora one is awesome. Yeah, and Nissa as well. Sarkham. Yeah, in actual fact, they're all good, aren't they, really? So that's happy days. Didn't get too much duplication on the rares. Got quite a few. I got a couple of Roccos. It would have been nice to get a couple of Training Grounds, to be honest, but not to worry. I'm pretty sanguine. Okay, right. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a really nice day. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed this episode of Two Man Meta, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date as we release multiple episodes each week. If you would like to help support the channel, check out the links in the description below, as well as links to our social media pages. Thank you for watching. See you next episode.